Nearly new 3-bedroom 2-bath 1-level home on Quiet Street in Kannapolis, just a few minutes from the new Cannonballers Stadium, research campus and all the shops and restaurants surrounding the area. LVP flooring in main living area and baths, and carpet in bedrooms with a split bedroom plan. Granite counters in kitchen, stainless steel appliances, deluxe refrigerator, microwave, smooth top range, dishwasher, even washer and dryer in drop zone off back door. There's even a storage shed on property for those extra items. All landscaping and mowing is provided for in lease. House in great condition, built-in island or table in kitchen, parking for 4 cars and covered front porch. Tenant will need to meet the 3x income rule. No pets and no smoking for this unit. Easy to apply, contact agent.